They don't make them like they used to. That's the first thing that comes to mind when you see a classic like the Ford Model A, a true icon of automotive history. This legendary car was introduced in 1927 as the successor to the Ford Model T, and it revolutionized the auto industry with its modern design and improved performance. Designed under the guidance of Henry Ford and his son, Edsel Ford, the Model A was created to bring style, comfort, and reliability to everyday drivers. With over 4.8 million units sold by 1932, it became one of the most successful cars of its era, capturing the hearts of car lovers across generations. Now let's talk about that gorgeous exterior. The Ford Model A has a timeless look that still turns heads today. This particular beauty, finished in vibrant red, is a perfect example of vintage elegance. The curved fenders, large round headlights, and iconic front grille give it a distinguished presence. The classic spoked wheels and white wall tires add to its charm, while the shiny chrome accents provide just the right amount of flair. Whether parked in a showroom or rolling down the street, the Model A's vintage appeal is undeniable. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that takes you back in time. The bench seats, upholstered in premium leather, offer a level of comfort that was ahead of its time. The simple yet stylish dashboard features classic analog gauges, giving the driver all the essential information without unnecessary distractions. The large, thin-rimmed steering wheel adds to the vintage driving experience, while details like the window cranks, door handles, and gear shifter showcase the craftsmanship of the 1920s. It's a cabin designed for pure driving pleasure, with an authenticity that modern cars simply can't replicate. Under the hood, the Ford Model A is powered by a 3.3L inline-4 engine, producing 40 horsepower, a big improvement over the Model T. While that might seem small by today's standards, back in the late 1920s, this was a powerful and reliable engine. The 3-speed manual transmission offers a unique driving feel, giving you full control over this piece of history. Despite its age, a well-maintained Model A still runs smoothly, proving just how well-engineered these cars were. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more classic car content. Stay tuned for more incredible automotive history, restorations, and legendary rides.